Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to check in with BoA, Boliviana de Aviación, in under a minute. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to the official BoA website at boa.bo or open the BoA mobile app. Step 2. Tap on Check-in or Web Check-in from the home screen. Step 3. Enter your booking reference or ticket number along with your last name. Step 4. Select your flight from the list and confirm your seat preferences. Step 5. Review all the details and tap Check-in to confirm. Step 6. You can now download your boarding pass or receive it by email. Tip: online check-in is usually available from 48 to 2 hours before your flight. Be sure to check in early to secure your preferred seat. That's it. You're now checked in with BoA and ready to fly. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more fast and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching. Let me know